Hey, so you went ahead with ARHT Home Solution today. We're just finishing up with your window project and we just finalized it. Just got them installed today. How do you feel?
No, I feel fantastic. I think the whole process was great. It was great working with you, Mike, through the contracting process, explaining the different products. Just the way that you broke it down was great. Your folks were very professional. They did a really good job. I'm pretty happy with the job you guys did.
Awesome, thank you. And here we are. We're in DC. DC's homes are pretty particular in terms of some of the complications that we find, with some of the installs. Brick, masonry, stucco, all sorts of different things. You also had a concern in your basement where there was a lot of draftiness coming through those basement windows. And then you had this very specific thing that needed to be custom made for your venting for both your HVAC and your dryer vents. How did you feel that we performed for you on that project?
Yeah, so I was definitely a little bit nervous. We just installed a new HVAC unit, and just the fact that we didn't want to drill any more holes into the foundation. We had everything going through the old windows that were originally installed into the house. So my concern to Mike was just to make sure that, hey, when we install the windows, can we also create something custom where we can feed those appliances through? And at the same time, maintain the integrity of the house. I mean, the whole purpose of getting the windows was to keep the heating efficiency of the house. We didn't want to, waste energy and all that good stuff. So again, I wanted to keep that integrity, the seal and all that good stuff. And Mike's team did a fantastic job with listening to my requests and making it into reality.
Awesome. Thank you, Eric. And I have a couple last questions.
Sure.
So when other homeowners are making decisions, it's very difficult because there's a lot of companies out there. Why would you say that they should choose ARHT Home Solutions above anybody else?
Just the way that you broke down the process, the explaining. Again, I was new to Windows. I don't know anything about Windows other than, they keep hitting and heat out. So I really appreciate that you took the time to explain, the UV factors and, the components of the windows and what makes a high quality window versus a cheap window. Again, just seeing other testimonials from your other customers is really what made me choose your company.
Awesome. And do you feel that you made a really good decision?
I think I made a fantastic decision.
All right, great. So based on that, would you refer us to other customers?
Absolutely.
Your friends and your family as well?
100%.
Awesome. Thank you, Eric, so much for your testimonial. We greatly appreciate your business.
Thanks, Mike.